Today we are opening the Curiosities box from Coracrea, and we have some tissue wrapped items. So I'm just going to pull those out, set the box aside, and see what we have going on here. I'm not sure. Let's see, follow us on our social channels. Let's see, Coracrea, questions or concerns about your orders. And this order was packed with love by Kay. And this is our cheat sheet. So we're going to not look at that. We're going to see what we have. And this Curiosity box is called Winter Magic, which is perfect for this season. Oh, we have a lot of tapes, some kind of papers. I'll take a look at those all later. And we'll swatch what we can. And what do we have in here? Beautiful tissue paper. I love that. All right. Looks like we got some papers and stickers and other items for our journaling. This first these are transparent winter frames. Well, these would be beautiful in cards where you cut out a section and have this framing something on the inside. And I'm not sure, these may have a protective sheet to keep them from scratching that you'll have to peel off before you use them, but oh, look at that. I love that. Absolutely gorgeous. That will be fun to play with when we start making cards. Here we have winter spirit animals in a lovely winter blue. And here we have Winter World. And these are our stickers. Also in a lovely winter blue. Here we have the paper. This is our magical winter scene paper set. Again, this is a shiny. We don't usually get shiny papers from her. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I love those old villages with the old buildings. Here we have owls delivering packages inside a beautiful old Gothic castle. Oh, and lanterns. This is our Winter Magic sticker book. And these are clear stickers. So here we have the Winter Queen, beautiful cabins, winter snow scenes. Another one of the Snow Queen. Beautiful fireplace. This one has a wizard fire where they're roasting marshmallows. And again, an owl. Here we have some more beautiful items. Here we have a different snow queen, snowflakes, a bear, another owl, and a wolf. Another wizard, a house with feet. That's very different. I've never seen anything like that before. A reindeer, fox and bear. And beautiful sceneries here also. Lovely. Now we're going to go here. These are rice papers. And the way you would use these, you would use something like Mod Podge to put them down on your scene and then cover them with the Mod Podge to protect the paper. Isn't that gorgeous? I don't think I have a journal quite big enough to hold this whole thing. I would have to cut away part of it, which I absolutely hate to do, but... Oh, and here we have a snowman and different snow scenes surrounding him. Isn't that beautiful? That one you could cut up and collage any way you want, or leave it as this collage. This would be beautiful if you got a blank canvas, Mod Podged it onto your canvas and used it as winter decor in your home. I'm going to put this away. I don't want it to get damaged. All right, we have some tapes here. And this one, I believe, is foil flakes washi tape. Isn't that gorgeous? Let me grab my swatch book here. This would be an absolutely beautiful border for your winter scenes. The foiled snowflakes with the blue. Gorgeous. Coralie, if you're happening to see this, or somebody from Coralea's shop, would you send me just a plain sticker in my next order that I can put in my book? I like to collect stickers from the creators I use. Well, this is a PET tape, and I'm having trouble finding the tape that holds it. Here it is, I believe. So this is a cut PET tape that is icicles. Isn't that beautiful? That would make a beautiful top border for your papers or your cards or your journaling. I've gotten into art journaling quite a bit here since I found Corali's shop. It's very relaxing. I used to wonder what the purpose of it was, because it's not something you sell at a craft fair, but it is something that really helps you sit back, relax, and dive into that creative side. And not all art is meant to be shared. Some of it is just your personal therapy. So these are Kiss Cut. Some are winter scenes, different winter items. And again, I'm sure we have a very long loop. There's the start of the new loop. So again, long loop of items and several loops on a roll. So that is everything we got in the Curiosities box. This is the November-December box, and it's absolutely beautiful. I will love creating with this through the winter. And if you follow me on Instagram, I post my art creations over there. So I will see you next time. Please like and subscribe, share my videos, and I will see you later. Bye now.